Today, we've got a topic that could change your life forever. We'll talk about what happens when you quit smoking for 24 hours. It is amazing the incredible transformation your body goes through in just one day. Stick around to find out how your health can improve in the blink of an eye. Are you tired of being a slave to cigarettes? Do you want to regain control of your health and life? Well, keep watching, because the next 24 hours could be the start of a brand new you. Let's dive right in and explore the amazing positive changes that occur in your body when you quit smoking for just 24 hours. I promise you, these changes are nothing short of astonishing. Improved lung function. Within the first 24 hours of quitting smoking, your lungs begin to repair themselves. The cilia, tiny hair-like structures in your airways, start to move again, helping to clear mucus and toxins. This means better lung function and easier breathing, lowered blood pressure. When you quit smoking, your heart rate and blood pressure drop within just one day. This reduces your risk of heart disease and strokes. Increased oxygen levels. Your body starts to receive more oxygen, making you feel more energetic and alert. This means you can say goodbye to that constant fatigue. Better sense of taste and smell. In just 24 hours, your taste buds and sense of smell become more sensitive. Food will taste better, and you'll experience a world of scents you might have forgotten existed. Reduced risk of heart attack. Your risk of a heart attack drops within hours. Your heart thanks you as it starts to recover and function more efficiently. Improved skin health. You'll notice improvements in your skin's appearance. Quitting smoking can reduce skin problems and give you a healthier, more radiant complexion. And there you have it, folks. The incredible benefits that happen when you quit smoking for just 24 hours. Imagine the possibilities if you continue on this path. If you or someone you know is trying to quit smoking, don't forget to hit that like button. Share this video with them and subscribe to our channel for more life-changing content. Remember, you have the power to take control of your health and well-being. You've got this. Stay strong and never underestimate the strength of your willpower. We'll be here every step of the way to support your journey to a smoke-free, healthier life. Thanks for joining us today. Until next time, stay healthy, stay smoke-free, and keep being amazing.